Use of the magnetic level indicators. The magnetic level indicators are a secondary direct reading gauge to calculate the fuel in the aircraft tanks if the fuel quantity indication system is unserviceable. You must follow the fuel safety procedures when working with the fuel system. Put the safety barriers into position. The density of the fuel is essential for calculating the mass of fuel in the aircraft tanks. Take a fuel sample from the aircraft and measure its specific density. On the A321, 3 magnetic level indicators are installed per wing and 1 per center tank. The A318, A319 and A320 are equipped with 4 magnetic level indicators per wing and 1 per center tank. Put an access platform below the applicable MLI. Start outboard. Use a screwdriver to push the applicable MLI and turn it to 90 degrees. Hold and lower the MLI fully. Do not let it fall freely. Carefully lift the MLI until you feel the magnet engage. Read and write down the value indicated on the MLI. Note, the value on the MLI flush to the wing bottom skin is the relevant one. Insert and lock the MLI as soon as possible to avoid damage. Aircraft attitude data is essential for fuel mass calculation. Pitch and roll data can be selected through the MCDU in the cockpit. Data is provided by the Air Data Inertial Reference Unit. Or by the fuel quantity indication computer. Refer to the table in the Aircraft Maintenance Manual to find the equivalent reference number and letter. Use the number and letter to identify the square to use in the MLI procedure. Use the applicable MLI stick number and the applicable aircraft attitude grid square letter to find the correct fuel quantity table in the Aircraft Maintenance Manual. Find the applicable MLI units number row and the applicable aircraft attitude row in the Aircraft Maintenance Manual table. Determine the intersection of the applicable rows to give the correct volume in the tank. Note, only even number MLI units are listed in the tables. For odd numbers, calculate the volume between the nearest even numbers in the Aircraft Maintenance Manual table. For fuel mass calculation, the volume has to be multiplied with the density of the fuel. Add together the values for each tank to find the total mass of fuel in the aircraft.